Hello students, let's see here. We are talking about the let's take the example of Monday. Suppose on Monday, we see the moon at 6 p.m. Okay, but on the next day, that is on Tuesday, we are going to see the moon at 6:50 p.m. How it is possible? Let's see. We know that Earth rotates on its axis from west to east. Okay, Earth rotates on its axis from west to east, and it takes 24 hours to cover its revolution. Means we know the concept of day and night because it is rotating on its axis and it takes 24 hours to cover 360 degrees. Because Earth is rotating on its axis, just like I think Lattu. Okay, means it is rotating from west to east and it covers 360 degrees in 24 hours. Okay. Then how many minutes it will take to cover 360 degrees? It is going to cover, that is 24 into 60 minutes. Okay. If you multiply, we will get as 1440 minutes. Okay. You can multiply it and you will see that 24 into 60 it will cover as 1440. Now, for the Earth to rotate 1 degree rotation, means for the Earth to rotate 1 degree rotation, we will just apply unitary method. If 360 rotates this minute, then 1 degree rotates in how many minutes? Then 1440 divided by 360, it will come as 4 minutes. It will come as 4 minutes. Means for the rotation of Earth to move in 1 degree, it will take how many? 4 minutes. Now, you know that this, just remember this one, equation number 1. Now, remember that moon is also revolving around the Earth. Moon is revolving around the Earth. This is also our heavenly body, that is moon. It is our natural satellite and it moves around the Earth. And we know that moon is revolving around the Earth in, that is 29.5 days. Means you have seen that moon is revolving around the Earth. It takes how many days? That is about considering the lunar calendar. Lunar calendar means we are focusing on the moon. So we take it as lunar. So it takes 29.5 days in order to cover 360 its revolution. Means from here you can see that in order to revolve 360 days, means moon will be come back in its original position in how many days? That is 29.5 days. So in order to rotate 360 degree rotation revolution, it will take 29.5 days. So in one day, how many degree it will move? So in one day it will move 360 degree divided by 29.5. It will come as 12.2 degree. It will come as 12.2 degree. Means in one day the moon is going to shift its position about 12.2 degree. If moon is here, the moon is going to shift its position about, that is 12.2 degree. On the next day moon will be here. Okay. And now suppose you are standing here on Monday. On Monday you are standing here and you see that the moon is at 6 p.m. But in order to see the moon that is rising, you have to shift your position. You are going to shift your position about 12.2 degree. And you are standing on Earth. So Earth must rotate about 12.2 degree in order to see the moon. Are you getting? Means if you are standing here, the position A, now you have to shift to the position B in order to see the moon, that the moon is rising. And you have to shift, you have to change your position, means Earth must rotate about 12.2 degree in order to see the moon is rising. So we have studied that for 1 degree rotation of the Earth, it takes 4 minutes. For 12.2 degree of rotation of the Earth, it will take how many minutes? That is 12.2 into 54. It will take as 50 minutes. Means in order to see the moon to rise on the next day, it will take 50 minutes. So we have seen that on Monday it takes if the moon is rising at 6 p.m. on the next day it will rise at 6:50. I think this concept is clear. And this phenomenon is responsible that why the high tides changes its time every day. This phenomenon is responsible why the tides change its time every day. And now, suppose moon is fixed. Suppose we are considering that moon is fixed and the Earth is rotating on its axis and the moon is going to fix only. Then the timing of the tide will not change because moon is not shifting its original position. Are you getting? Now, what are the effects of the tides? Means what are the significance? Means tides. Means what is the useful of the tides? We are going to study. First one is that related to the harbors. I think you know about the harbors. And if somebody has gone harbors, you have seen that there is so many debris and waste material. And if the tides comes, if you are standing, this is a harbor, and if the tides comes, all the waste material that is present nearby the harbor, all will be went out. Means all will be washed out due to tides. So it helps in cleaning the harbor. Means nobody is going to. Means there is no need to keep the extra person in order to keep the harbor clean. Tide itself means from the natural phenomena, it is going to clean the tide. So first, and then this is the advantage of tide. Second one, in a cold countries, you know that sea water is very salty, and if the water moves to the colder areas and there is a harbor in the cold countries, there is a harbor. The ice is not going to solid. I mean the ice actually melt here. Means the harbor is ice free. So it makes the harbor ice free. The advantage of tide is this one. Third point is that this. Third point we can consider from the with respect to the fishermen. With respect to the fishermen, because you know that in fishermen know the rhythm of the tide. When will the high tide or when will the low tide? And according to this, they can sell their boat. If there is low tide, they can sell their boat and come to its own places. So this is the advantage of tide. Fourth, we can consider with respect to the creatures. Those creatures who are fixed with the stones, nearby stones. Suppose this creature is fixed here, and this creature is not able to move. Then how will it survive? Then here the tide helps, because in tide water there is so many minerals and vitamins that is going to hit this creature, and this creature tides help to feed this creature. Means we can see the advantage of this one. And last one we can consider that to harness the electrical energy, that is tidal energy. We can consider the tidal energy, and this tidal energy is a renewable energy. Means that is we are going to get this energy for a longer time, and this tidal energy can be harnessed from seawater. And last one we can see that it is also going to help to make estuaries. It is also going to make estuaries. Means here, what is estuaries? Now the question comes, what is estuaries? Simply the estuaries is that is meeting of fresh water. Means meeting of fresh water with the sea water, and this point is known as estuaries. And this point is very rich in various natural vegetation and animals also. And last one we can see that due to tides, that is flood plains develop. Due to tides, flood plains develops, and it is going to help to the farmers. Thank you. कैसा लगा?